Go. Hello viewers. Today we will see the method of mixed media in painting. Mixed media is nothing but a simple method of using two or more colors of different type. For an example, it can be acrylic mixed with charcoal, it can be acrylic mixed with dry pastel, it can be different of course. So let us start this particular method of mixed media, which is very much popular throughout the world right now. So let me take first of all a color. This is lemon yellow and the base is acrylic. I am taking this color and here we have already drawn a circle and a square box. So first of all, let me deal with this particular circle. I am taking little bit of lemon yellow in the palette, not very large quantity, little bit of it. With a flat brush, I am putting this color in this particular circle and the holding should be like this. And I am moving the color softly in the circle. As you can see, I am taking a little bit more, putting it on the circle, just stretching it a little bit more so that it can spread properly. A little bit more will do. Now as acrylic, it dries out very quickly, so we have to move our hand very fast so that it can spread properly in the specific surface. Now I am taking a little bit of dry pastel. It is called soft pastel or dry pastel. I am putting dry pastel on that particular surface where we have already used acrylic color. And this particular color is lemon yellow and this is ochre yellow. So we are taking two shades of yellow together, one with dry pastel and another one with acrylic. Now we will start to mix it. First of all, dry pastel, we can use our finger even to mix it at the surface gradually without giving any pressure, very soft-handed. Nice, it's coming well. Now we are just putting this dry pastel inside the area where we have already put acrylic. I'm just putting it inside, trying to blend the two colors, blending very nicely. Now I will take again that particular lemon yellow that I have used for the upper area of this particular drawing and blending it with dry pastel once again. So that the two edges of the two color shall be properly blended. Now you can see the difference. This part is with dry pastel, this is with acrylic, and the two edges have been blended already. Now we will take little bit of another tone of colors, even again with acrylic, putting it over there, small touch of it, and again you can see I am blending it with soft hand with the brush to create that particular effect of mixed media. Mixed media always actually have to blend two colors or three colors, three types of colors rather, together to create a unique texture as well as an effect. This is a very popular technique throughout the world used by the painters, and that's mixing it and stretching the color towards the dry pastel part and see it is blending properly and creating a texture, a rough one. Now To blend it properly, I will use little bit of white acrylic. Small acrylic white will do. I am just giving patches of colors. This is the technique where you should put the patches like this so that you can create a texture as well. Now the texture is coming out and see the whole color is blending together. Totally different medium. One is acrylic watercolor, another is dry pastel. So they are mixing together to create a unique effect. See, it is looking almost like a planet. Planet that we have created. So the texture can be seen and see how well these two different colors have already been blended together very nicely to create an effect. And this particular brushing is very important. You will have to also take care of this particular brushing. I am not holding the brush, I am just moving it very fast because both these particular colors are quickly have to be dried out and have to be mixed properly, otherwise they will not create this effect. See? Now finally, I will take again little bit of dry pastel of different shades. This is burnt sienna. To give the final touch, I will just use little bit of burnt sienna over here. See? Now again with the soft finger, I will rub it. And finally, with a brush, I will blend it. See the effect. Itself it is creating a texture as well as a shade. A dark little shade at the bottom of this circle. If I take this as the top one, so it can be easily taken as a bottom part of this particular circle. So it is creating a effect over here. See? The brushing should be very fast because acrylic it dries out very quickly. Now is more or less ready. So in this particular technique, we can use different medium of colors. Now here I am using acrylic as well as dry pastel. It can be even charcoal with acrylic. It can be even watercolor with dry pastel. Even we can use oil pastel with watercolor or acrylic. So we will gradually show this in the different part one by one, so that you can have a very clear idea how to mix different medium together to create a painting. See, it is already have created a deep, unique texture and a very smooth one. That is very important. Mixed media has been generally used to make the surface smoother as it generally looks through the different medium. See how beautifully the whole thing has been properly merged together to create a unique atmosphere. I hope you have enjoyed this particular part and you will learn a little bit how to create a texture by using two different mediums. Hello viewers, in the previous episode we have seen how to blend acrylic with dry pastel in the mixed media series. So in this particular episode we will see how to blend acrylic with oil pastel. There is a difference between dry pastel and oil pastel. Oil pastel has got a little bit of oily effect, whereas dry pastel has got totally dusty effect. So Now we are using, first of all, acrylic on this particular surface, which is a square one. Let me take color which has got reddish shade, and I will blend it with oil pastel. First of all, I will mix a little bit of lemon yellow with this crimson to create a little bit orangish effect. See, adding water in it. I'm just moving my hand faster so that I can put the color properly. Now I'm dragging, just moving my hand fast so that I will get enough time to spread it before it dries out. Acrylic dries out very fast, so we have to hurry. This is very important. I'm mixing it. Now more or less the area has been covered. I have intentionally left some part so that we can use oil pastel over there and can mix it together. Now I will take oil pastel. Let me take this shade, because here we have a darkish tone, so we should use rather a softer tone to mix it up. And while we are using oil pastel, unlike of dry pastel, we should put the oil pastel in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction so that the blending should be properly done. See, I am moving my hand in that way. You will have to be a little bit faster, because to mix it up properly, we have to move our hand in that way, clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. See, I am putting these two colors, totally different medium. One is water medium and another is oil medium. Oil pastel has got the characteristics of oil in it, so it has got totally different characteristics than that of the acrylic one. I am creating a texture over here. You can see a texture is coming out gradually. Then I will take another shade of it. This is Indian red, little bit darker than Banzana. Again, I am putting it in the particular clockwise and anti-clockwise method of using oil pastel. And I am putting it very softly. I am not giving any pressure. That is very important. See how well it is blending. On a surface made by acrylic, you can easily put another type of color to create texture. This is the unique part of mixed media, where you can easily use 2 or 3 type of colors together, even materials. We will gradually show you how to use other materials too. See, it is coming out. Now again I will take the previous one and I will blend these 2 colors together. The edges should be blended. See, it has already created a texture. Now again I will take a little bit of acrylic, the brush, I will put it over there. So you can see I am blending acrylic again with oil pastel. The two edges have been properly blended. We can use a little bit of white to create some effect over here. And finally, we will add a touch of yellow. Of acrylic paint, and again I am taking this particular yellow, lemon yellow, in oil pastel. See, the rough texture is coming out. Now it is totally finished. See how beautifully these two particular characteristics of color, one acrylic, another oil pastel, has been properly blended, and it has created a nice effect. It is the texture. We are actually doing the textures, the background texture. It has come very nicely. I hope you have enjoyed it, and you will be able to do it by your own by seeing this particular video. Thank you very much.